can't really see right now.
Yeah, drink.
No!
Yeah.
I can't bloody see.
I'll give her a drink.
Don't need a drink. Oh boy, my tongue feels light. Am I freaky or kinky?
This answer the question, please. Have a drink. You want a drink?
I can't really see right now.
Yeah, drink.
No!
Yeah.
I can't bloody see.
I'll give her a drink.
Don't need a drink.
I'll give her a drink of booze.
I don't want to booze. You got to drink alcohol. That's how the game works.
Is it?
Am I freaky or I think I'm a I'm not a freak. I just like exploring through
She's
sex.
freaky. She's a freak.
I'm not freaky. Don't you dare label me as a freaky girl. Cause
Listen, you're very freaky. I'm just.
You're not. Listen, I'm not freaky, guys. I just like to.
It's alright.
I like to just have good sex. There's nothing wrong with it. Have you ever? My tongue feels heavy. Damn. Ew. Excuse me.
What is this, man? You think it's a birthday competition or something?
No, it's the alcohol. Have you ever had sex outside? Yeah. The other day I was thinking if we should have sex outside again, actually.
Yeah, in the snow, not true?
No, not in the snow, but I mean,
I would say in the snow.
We haven't really christened England like, do you know what I mean? We're gonna do it, sir. We're police officer. We ain't gonna do it. It's just a thought. It's a thought.
You might do it.
No, we ain't gonna do it, police officer. Truth or drink? Do you masturbate? No, I don't masturbate.
I don't have to.
Yeah, it's true though. We don't really have to. You know what I mean? We sleep in the same bed every night, so we really don't have to.
It's right next to you. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? You just yeah, you can just steal some if you want. Like we really
it's
don't.
Alright. It's not bad over her.
Yeah, we really don't have to. Have someone ever asked you for a threesome? I got to jog the memory a little bit for that. Has someone ever asked me for a threesome? I don't know. I can't remember. I kind of think like in my promiscuous days, possibly. Yeah, but I probably tie it down like, no,
yeah,
are you a dickhead?
I think one schedule girl doing about one thing right that one time, but
yeah, I don't really think someone. I don't know, like, I'm gonna say possibly, but I can't really remember. Come on, because we've been together for what, 5 years? So we've been together for 5 years. That's a long time. Anything before that, I can't remember. But I can't lie. Possibly, it might have been a possibility, but I can't remember. What's the I can't bloody speak.
What's this?
What's the freakiest thing you've done? Pass me a drink, please.
Sorry?
Only just knock up, pull me up on YouTube. Y'all ain't gonna pull me out on YouTube. Are you crazy? Really? Oh, tell me. Wait, you've got to do it so the Julsz see it.
Is it?
Listen, what's the freakiest thing you've done with Julsz? You say I'm not coming up and like, you're not trying to like drum it out. What's the freakiest thing you have done?
Hey, no, we're sorry sending for white trouble, boy.
Are you crazy?
Yo, Julsz at the head top right now.
Oh, saucy. Did you ever think the relationship would last?
I did.
To be honest, I didn't think much about, like, I didn't think if it would last, it was going to go further. I think in the beginning I took it more as a day at a time. I didn't really, to be honest, because I've never been in the LDR, I didn't know how they really functioned. So for me it was more like, oh, I take it a day at a time, and as time progressed, then I used to think about, oh, is it gonna last? Is it gonna further? But I always knew it was gonna further. Do you know what I mean? Because we had that chemistry, like, I don't know, like we had a vibe. We had a real good vibe going, you know. There's always laughter, banter, fun activities. It's like, you see his head going bop to bop. I can see that, but Yeah, I always
For me,
like yeah.
For me, I've always had like very, very high faith in everything. Like, I always believe. You know what I mean? I've never doubt.
Yeah, like, we didn't have no. To be honest, we didn't really have no doubt. I think people around us doubted us more than we doubted ourselves. Like.
Yeah, we get a lot of doubt.
Yeah, like people doubted us, but we've never really doubted.
Sticky boy.
Yeah, we've never really doubted our relationship. It wasn't like, oh, like, yeah, no, we never doubted our relationship. When's the last time you went through my phone?
No, I don't do that.
Yeah, I can't lie. You know our relationship. People might not believe us, but honestly speaking, I could leave my phone onto his lap like this, and he won't go through it. The only thing he'll say is like, oh baby, getting a phone call. And Tristan could leave his, vice versa, he could leave his phone on my lap like this. And I'm not touching it. The only time I really touch his phone is to pay his phone bill. When it's paying the phone bill time, I'll unlock it and I'll pay the phone bill and I'll lock it back.
And that's the thing, like,
I won't go
she have
through.
My password, she have my password, me have your password.
Yeah, like we have each other's password. It's not a thing where I have to place his thumb on his phone. Anyway, he's got a big like iPhone 11. We never do that thumb thing anymore. But what I'm saying is like, when he's sleeping, I'm not the type of girl to be like, unlock. Do you understand? I don't have them issues. I don't. I'm gonna be honest. I don't search his phone. I don't have no phone issues. I don't hear no one calling him. I don't hear no girl like, I don't hear that. I don't have a problem.
We have communication. We have all the key ingredients to it.
Yeah, like our relationship is actually quite solid. Like we don't search nothing. Phones, book, no, we don't look through it because honestly the trust level is quite big.
It's different.
And once he breaks, like that's it. Like there's no relationship. But we don't. I'm not gonna lie. If I have to start searching his phone, what am I with him for? And if he has to start searching my phone, what is it? Wow, boy, my tongue feels light.
Take your time. Take it easy, cuz.
Light.
Okay, come on. Let's do this. We can finish this. Yeah, let's finish this.
I'm gonna finish it.
Yeah.
I just feel very comfortable right here.
Yeah.
If he has to search my phone, then what's the point of the relationship? And if I've got to search his phone, there's no point.
There's no point.
Trust is the ultimate thing here. Trust, communication, love, and I think sex goes very last. Sex is not even important, man. That sometimes, isn't it? Truth or drink? Do you have sex toys?
We don't. Julsz. You want to drink, baby? You want to drink? Do you want to drink? Do you want to drink?
I don't know. Okay. Let me just talk. I can't take them on drink right now, you know. I had sex toys back in the day, but I don't have any anymore. I had a vibrator. That thing was bloody expensive to keep on re-batterying. It had 3 levels. I swear to God. And summers.
So when I used to use a vibrator, what used to do? You used to have somebody we think about?
I don't know, you know. I didn't used to watch porn with it because as it went on, I used to just. Mom, don't come in. You're what? No, don't do that. Anyway, let's move on. So yes, I had sex toys. What is the longest time you went without sex? The longest time. When was that? Was it 10 months? 11 months?
The longest time from a band to lose my virginity.
Oh my God, you're such a loser. It's true though, that's the longest time. But I mean, during the relationship, probably 10, 11 months.
10 months.
One was in the LDR and I couldn't go see him. So it was almost a year because I saw him in July. I didn't go back till June. So that's like 11 months.
Nah, you never see me in August. Babe, man, come on.
Oh, I left it. Okay. I left in August. Alright, so August till June is what?
It's right.
Okay, 10 months, whatever the case is.
It's right.
Have you ever kept a dark secret from each other? A dark secret.
It's interesting. I'm gonna drink.
Yeah, I'm gonna drink too still.
I
mean.
Tell me this.
You wanna drink?
Tell me.
No.
Yeah, what do you put it back up? Okay. How do you drink from mine?
Wait, no, can this be yours and mine will be the small one?
Yeah, that is the small one.
What's in yours?
No?
Oh, babe, man.
Girl.
Please.
Unless you want to fly your mouth, you gotta drink it.
Out my mouth. I tell the secret. No, that secret is good. It's not great, mate.
Did you eat booty?
No, it's not it. Nobody asked me that. Have you ever eaten ass?
I don't do ass business, I know that.
Have you looked at anyone else without me knowing? What, like trying to get in someone's DM? You look like cheeky, you know? Like, why am I digging up my weave like this?
You fucking me see it. I thought we could get a peel off. Nah.
What's the question? Have I ever what?
Looked at anyone.
Have you ever what?
Looked at anyone with
No, to be honest, I got a very handsome husband. As one can see, I
got a beautiful wife.
Do you know what I mean? I don't really need to look at anyone else. You understand? He's a very handsome guy, so no.
Nah, we don't do that.
We don't do that, no. It's the greatest fear in marriage.
The greatest fear.
Do you want to drink?
I can't speak.
What is it?
Not getting kids.
Yeah, I think that's my greatest fear as well. I think it's not about like, obviously I want to be wealthy, I want to be stinking rich, but yeah, like not having kids is one of my greatest fear, because it's just like, what are you on the earth for? Like, if don't get me wrong, guys, like I know a lot of people have like fertility problems and not being able to conceive, so I don't want to trigger anyone if you have fertility problems, but that is one of my fears. Like in marriage, trust me, it'll be a strain, not a strain, but it'll be like, why did I get married to you?
If I find out tomorrow, you go doctor tomorrow and get a test and find out say
you couldn't have kids.
Like, it's gonna be very stressful.
It'll be very shattering. I think the marriage will probably break down.
It will.
Yeah, I think the marriage would definitely break down.
Very strong after
yeah, because everyone wants to leave a legacy. Yeah. Huh?
Like, you'd have to be very open to adoption.
I mean, I always said that if we had enough money, I would definitely be open to adopt a child, whether it be from Jamaica, India, whatever the case. Yeah, but you want your own kids. So if we couldn't have kids, it would definitely be like,
it'd be stressful.
Where do we go from here? Like, then it'd be very side eye, like, nigga. But yeah, that's our biggest fear.
Hit me with your best shot.
Have you ever had any uncomfortable moments?
Uncomfortable?
Should I drink? I don't know. Uncomfortable moments. Yeah. When the back's like too hot and I'm thinking, oh, hurry up. That's my uncomfortable moment. Just thinking, oh my god, babe, like, hurry up, man. What's your uncomfortable moment? What? You had uncomfortable moments? Have you?
I don't know, that's what I drank.
You have, isn't it?
That's the next question.
You have to see. Where is the weirdest place you've had sex? / took someone. The weirdest place?
Beach? No, that's not the weirdest, isn't it?
The weirdest place? The weirdest? That's weird. I haven't really had weird sex. It's like, we've had sex, but it hasn't been like,
so
that's weird. It hasn't been, it's been like conventional, just conventional.
No, I said maybe hotel pool.
That's weird though. Yeah. That's not, I don't think that's like, a lot of people have sex in the hotel pool.
Yeah, man, but like, now we look at it like,
you think that's weird?
I don't think I'll do it again.
In a hotel pool?
No.
You're lying, you're capping.
Nah, I'm getting too old for this shit, man. I can't do this shit no more.
Or you just gone to bed?
Yeah, man.
I can't remember my weirdest place I've had sex. Pass me a drink.
Have you ever been in the bushes?
The bushes?
Yeah.
No, hell no. No one's ramming me up in a bush. You crazy?
Yeah, man.
No one is sticking their body in me in a bush.
What about look coach my body jar?
drink to that question.
Okay, man, exposure of the camera again. You want the coach for everything I didn't get.
Courage, that thing that scratched, you wanna put it in my nonny?
No, I put it for your batty jar.
My batty jaw?
Yeah.
Are you crazy?
You're sweet, yeah. You're sweet, yeah.
Where am I?
Where are you?
Who are you most jealous of? Nobody.
Jealous. You have a
To
jealous.
be respectfully, I ain't jealous of nobody. You know what? No, I do love myself. If you don't love yourself, then what? You know what I mean? I can't be jealous of no one. Like, no one's shit stinks. Like, to me, I am the beginning and the end. I am the greatest of them all.
Mirror,
But I can't lie, I love Julsz. Julsz loves herself. I mean, I do love people. People are great. But for me, I love myself. If I don't love myself, who gonna love me? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't love yourself, who gonna love you? You have to think your shit is the greatest thing since sliced bread. I think I'm the greatest human since sliced bread. Yeah.
What she said.
Just like you. Yeah, my hubby is very confident.
Yeah.
Very confident. He loves himself. And that's good. And when we have kids, we're gonna teach them to love themselves. You are the greatest thing since Jesus Christ. Maybe not Jesus Christ, but you're the greatest thing since sliced bread. You gotta love yourself, because if you don't love yourself, this world will tear you down. This world
Spit you up, spit you out.
will tear you down, baby.
What else we got, baby?
Have you ever had a moment where your partner did something and you thought about leaving them?
Have you? Oh my days.
I wouldn't say leaving, but it's no. Leaving is a strong thing. No, like that's
Oh my
like
gosh.
breaking up, isn't it? Have you?
Oh my gosh. I can't believe you, babe.
Are you drinking?
I can't believe you.
You have.
No.
So why are you
I can't
drinking?
believe you. That's why I'm drinking. I'm stressed.
You're
I'm
stressed.
stressed.
You're not stressed. You thought about leaving me before,
I've
innit?
never thought about you.
You have.
Why would I
So why are
do
you
that?
drinking then?
Why would I do that? Tell me.
Girls, let me know.
Have you been naughty?
Naughty?
Yeah.
In what sense?
Exactly. So relax.
You're just drinking for drinking's sake. No man, you're doing more than. He does this all the time, you know. He's a weird. He's a weirdo. He's a weird. Don't do that. He's a weirdo. Ow! I got a cramp. Ow! Just see. Don't do that. Stop, man.
Fahrenheit.
Have you ever told someone you love them and never meant it? Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh definitely. Oh definitely.
A bunch.
Whore. I ain't done a bunch.
It's not that. It's just that me some mixed feelings. We don't know about mixed feelings like you like somebody today and then tomorrow you realize you know I mean the two like you.
Have you ever looked at your partner and
And you
called
start
them
looking at me
the?
be like, ooh, you know what? You're actually a bit ugly still. I don't like you. You ever do that?
No, I've never dated anyone ugly. I can't lie, you know, I'm a very shallow girl.
Alright, let's go. Next one.
I don't know if it's a
Next
bad thing or a
question,
good thing,
Are you ready?
but can I not talk?
We don't have to give a story point.
Not all of them, but I want to hear a story. I don't know if it's a bad thing or a good thing, but like I'm a very shallow person, so I've never actually dated anyone ugly, and I can say that with my chest held high. I can put my hands to the sky. Jesus Christ knows I ain't ever dated anyone ugly.
Never.
I don't, because my fanny does not jump to ugly boys. It don't. Like Tussie's very handsome.
That makes sense.
My ex before Tussie was very. I don't date ugly. I really don't date ugly. Can't no big man thing. I don't date ugly. I know your girl have a buzz. See, I know that pretty man in one side. Your girl have a buzz.
That thing's on me.
Your girl have a buzz. Yeah. Is that a song? I feel like I wanna
Buzzy.
say-
You're your friend.
Then Buzzy.
We no name Bugs Bunny.
Is that how the song goes?
Bad man real, we no funny.
You're playing with yourself.
Yo.
Why are you burping? Have you ever lied to your partner?
Yes.
You lied to me.
Yes.
Why?
Hmm?
What did you do?
Hey, I know you lied to me a bunch. I even caught you on sometime and be like, should I explain? Like, nah.
I've never lied to you.
You're not a good liar.
I've never lied to you, I swear. I've never lied to you.
She's not a good liar, people. But, you know, me, I'm one of them type of aborigine that like, me not gonna call you out. You know what I mean?
What have I lied? Alright, tell me. What have I lied?
Just,
I've
you
never
know what I mean?
lied
Just
to you.
for the sake of living a good life.
Babe, I've never lied to you. Like,
Okay, I know.
I've never lied to you. Nah, cool, whatever. Whatever. Think what you wanna think.
What is it?
Have you ever cursed your partner? Have you ever cursed your partner's family? Yeah, you've cursed my family before. Yeah, multiple occasions. Especially.
I feel fat, man. It's stressed me out.
Did you ever two-time while being in a committed relationship?
Did you ever what?
No. Did you ever cheat?
Do you?
I said no.
Is it?
You think I'm a big cheater, innit?
Let me see. Say no to me.
No.
Say it again.
No, we can't drink. I'm drunk. Don't be like that. Will you allow me to check your browsing history on your mobile? If you drag me here again to say that Ricky accent.
I'll let you check my regular history, but not my private one.
Why?
I just won't.
Why?
I just won't.
What's on the private one?
It's private.
Wow. So what are you doing in the private one?
Don't worry about it.
What are you doing in the private one?
What is it? What, you walk up on YouTube, go abuse me? Huh? Is that it?
No.
Huh? You probably say.
Ah! What are you doing? Don't do that. Did you anytime feel uncomfortable in the presence of your parents? Oh, that's a boring one.
Good.
What is the one thing that you would cause a relationship to break up?
What's the one
to
thing?
drink to it. Truth or drink.
What's the one thing?
What's the one thing?
There's not no one thing, there's one thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like what?
Like enough things.
Like what?
Cheating,
Okay.
chatting too much.
What's cheating?
I mean, what?
That's a broad
This is
spectrum.
the dumbest question ever had.
No, but in it there's a broad spectrum. Cheating's a broad spectrum. Cheating could be sex. Cheating could be talking to somebody else. Cheating could be flirting with your eyes. Cheating could be anything. Is it talking too much?
That's a dead question.
Is it talking too much?
You hear that question like 2
talking
hours.
too much.
That's like 2 hours later. How can I ask what cheating is?
Because some people cheating is different. Some people take cheating for if you speak to the opposite sex.
No,
you're
but
cheating.
Google and look for the meaning of cheating. No, let me try to do that.
How many serious relationships have you had? Me,
I would say 1.
I've had 3.
I've had 1.
I've had 3, but I don't know if you can really class it over 2 as I know they were bastards, you know. Ladies, bastards.
I'm on 1. I'm on 1.
Let's end on this one. What is your partner's most annoying habit? Oh my god. I can't even start to do this. This list would just be exponentially long. Is that even a word? This list would be so big.
Never drink 2 drinks for that.
Hear it.
I put a 2 drink for that.
What? Wait, I'm annoying? I got annoying ways? No,
You can't drink now, you can't be able to hear me.
your annoying ways are big. Like,
Yours are large.
you're not honestly.
See?
Ladies,
Full on.
listen, y'all don't even know what marriage is about till you get married. No one tells you what marriage is about till you get married. Wait, you're trying to call me annoying. Do you know why I'm annoying to him? Because I like things done in a particular way. So, no, you're bad man. You're actually bad man. You're wicked and bad.
My Jesus, drink the thing, no?
He's so wicked and bad. Why would you pour me this shot?
I've had
That's
two.
actually Ciroc, you know.
I've
Like,
had two.
show them the Ciroc. This is serious Ciroc.
Drink it. Why are you looking at it? Drink it.
I'm gonna vomit.
Drink
We
it.
haven't eaten
Blah.
it. You wouldn't even
Blah.
clean it.
Hey people, you know what I know? When the first time we ever get drunk, like the first time we ever get drunk was wild.
I was thinking,
It
I was
wild.
8.
Listen.
I was 8. I
sit
can't
down.
drink this for me.
Drink it. Let me get them story. Listen. We have about 4 or 5. I'm encouraging them. Them literally like, no, drink it. What are you doing?
Tell your story now, man.
But drink it though.
Oh my god. I'm drinking it.
It's good. I didn't do nothing.
Tell your story then.
We're not drinking. You're trying to gin us, man.
Tell the story, bruh.
Trying to gin us, man. Say yeah, man. Say yeah. This man. What's this? Whereas, listen. So before I remember, I kick off like one door. Cause I'm going to the bathroom, so I'm going to use the bathroom. I'm going, I couldn't come back out. But kick off without coming for me.
So you drank too bloody much.
Yo, I was done. Is it me I say? Sound off with eating more. Is it me I did?
Why did you do that?
DM full up. Yeah. So, you know what I mean? I like the questions though, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I like the questions though, you know what I mean?
Oh, my chest is
We really come out and make we have to drink a couple of salad shit, you know what I mean?
big up to the 3 people. Yeah, I'm not ashamed to say it. 3 people that asked those questions. Because here we have a good time all the time. I am Julsztymm and my hubby was in the video today. If you've reached this part, big up your damn self. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share.
Big up on yourself and just go to do the right thing.
That's right. If you want more videos with me and hubby,
just say it. Bow.
just let us know. What you do, don't pick my titties. He's so unruly. As I say, if you want more videos with me and hubby, please let me know. If you've liked this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, do everything that you're meant to do. I'm officially tipsy, officially drunk. Yeah, I've got work tomorrow. What to do? I'm coming off live now because live.
I'm live, babe.
Oh my god, this is dangerous. I'm coming off now.
Love it.
I've finished.
You know
I'm
what?
officially
Make sure they have
finished.
vitamin. I want to give her a shot of white. What want to think? Give her a shot of white?
No.
Said I hate top business tonight to the people. Wild business, wild style. That's it is.
Ew.
I'll get my disco like I know say I go time tonight.
I wow when you wanna wow. I will wow when you start wowing. How about that? How about that?
I'll get my disco light and go pull and get me drop. I'm gonna draw some ones, you know?
Are you gonna go for?
Nah, you gonna go for. You gonna go in.
Anyways, me Julsz, me old Julsz, me new Julsz, me in-between Julsz, and big up to them clean self.
You have to check your bills money, isn't it?
And me good timers. Love you. I will see you in the next video. Bye. I'm going to strip for what?
On your Valentine's Day present, you have to strip for that.
My Valentine's Day present dinner.
Go and expect things. Done?